Ever wondered what makes Italian pasta so delicious? Let's take a trip down history lane, back to when pasta first made its appearance in Italy. The origin of pasta is steeped in mystery, with legends attributing it to Marco Polo bringing it from China, while others credit it to the Etruscans who lived in Italy long before the Roman Empire. But the truth is, pasta's history is as complex and varied as the shapes it comes in. The beauty of Italian pasta lies in its simplicity. The heart and soul of pasta is found in the quality of its ingredients. The dough is a humble mix of flour and water, or in the case of pasta all'uovo, flour and eggs. Yet it's this simplicity that allows for the true flavors to shine through. Whether it's the robust San Marzano tomatoes, the creamy buffalo mozzarella, or the aromatic basil leaves, each ingredient plays a crucial role in creating the symphony of flavors that we associate with Italian pasta. But Italian pasta is not just about the ingredients, it's an art, a tradition passed down through generations. Each region in Italy has its own signature pasta dish, reflecting the local ingredients and culture. From the spaghetti alle vongole of Naples to the lasagna of Bologna, the orecchiette of Puglia to the pappardelle of Tuscany, the diversity is as rich as the Italian landscape itself. The pasta shapes themselves are a testament to the creativity and ingenuity of Italian cooks. From the long, slender strands of spaghetti to the whimsical farfalle, the tiny orzo to the tubular rigatoni, each shape is designed to hold the sauce in a different way, providing a unique experience with every bite. And so we see that the secret of Italian pasta lies not just in the ingredients, it's the love, the tradition, the craftsmanship that goes into making it. It's the understanding that food is not merely sustenance, but an expression of culture, a celebration of life. So the secret of Italian pasta lies not just in the ingredients, but in the love, tradition and craftsmanship that goes into making it. Now, let's embark on a spicy journey to India, the land of diverse flavors. India, a land of diverse cultures, traditions and languages, is also home to a myriad of flavors, each more tantalizing than the last. The cornerstone of Indian cuisine, spices. Each dish is a carefully crafted tapestry of flavors, made possible only by the rich variety of spices that the country has to offer. Cumin, coriander, turmeric, red chili and garam masala, a blend of ground spices, are just a few of the staples that breathe life into Indian dishes. But Indian cuisine is not just about the spices. It's about the method of cooking, the sequence of adding ingredients, and the delicate balance of flavors. Take the traditional method of making curries, for instance. It starts with a base of onions, ginger, and garlic, slowly cooked to perfection. Then come the spices, a dash of this, a pinch of that, each added at the right time to extract maximum flavor. Finally, the main ingredients are added, be it vegetables, lentils, or meat, and simmered slowly to absorb the flavors of the spices. The result? A rich, hearty curry that warms the soul. What makes Indian cuisine truly fascinating, though, are the regional variations. From the fiery curries of Rajasthan to the coconut-infused flavors of Kerala, from the seafood delights of Bengal to the hearty dals of Punjab, each region has its own unique take on Indian cuisine, influenced by local ingredients, climate, and culture. And let's not forget the cultural influence on Indian food. From the royal Mughlai cuisine, rich and aromatic with nuts and saffron, to the simple yet flavorful food of the monks in the monasteries of the Himalayas, every dish tells a story of its people, their history, and their way of life. In the end, Indian cuisine is all about balancing the flavors and spices, creating a symphony in every bite. Ready for a Mexican culinary fiesta? Let's dive in. Straight from the heart of Mesoamerica, Mexican cuisine is a vibrant and colorful symphony of flavors that has captivated the world. Corn, the backbone of this cuisine, has been the lifeblood of the Mexican people for thousands of years. From tostadas to tortillas, corn is the canvas on which the Mexican culinary masterpiece unfolds. As we journey through the bustling streets of Mexico, we encounter a vibrant panorama of food stalls, each one a testament to the love and passion that Mexicans hold for their food. Street food in Mexico is an experience like no other. The tantalizing aroma of grilling meats, the sizzle of fresh vegetables, and the wafting scent of warm tortillas fill the air, inviting you to partake in this gastronomic celebration. Tacos, the quintessential Mexican street food, are a culinary canvas of sorts. A soft corn tortilla cradles a variety of fillings, from succulent grilled meats to fresh vegetables, all topped with vibrant salsas and a squeeze of lime. Each bite is a taste of Mexico itself, a blend of ancient traditions and contemporary flavors. Enchiladas, another beloved dish, are tortillas bathed in chili sauce and filled with a myriad of ingredients, often including shredded chicken, cheese, and beans. Baked to perfection, they are a comforting and hearty meal that is a testament to the rich and diverse flavors of Mexican cuisine. And let's not forget tamales, a delightful package of corn dough, or masa, filled with meats, cheese, fruits, or chilies, and then wrapped and steamed in a corn husk. Each region in Mexico has its own unique twist on tamales, showcasing the diversity and creativity of this cuisine. Mexican cuisine is a celebration of flavors, colors, and culture. It's not just about the food, but also about the people, their stories, and their traditions. From the ancient Mayans to the modern Mexican home, every dish tells a story, making it a feast for the senses. So, whether it's a quick taco on the street or a leisurely meal of enchiladas and tamales, one thing's for sure: Mexican cuisine is a celebration of flavors, colors, and culture, making it a feast for the senses. Finally, let's take a culinary journey to Japan to explore the delicate art of sushi. Japan, a land where the sun rises, is also the birthplace of one of the most well-loved delicacies in the world: sushi. This isn't just a dish, it's a tradition, an art form, and a testament to Japanese culture's meticulous nature. Let's dive into the heart of sushi, the seafood. The freshness of the ingredients is paramount in sushi making. Japanese chefs, or itamai, are masters in selecting the finest seafood. They can identify the freshest catch with a simple touch or a quick sniff, ensuring that the flavor and texture of the fish are preserved in every bite of sushi. This meticulous selection process is a testament to the reverence the Japanese hold for the sea's bounty. But sushi isn't just about the seafood. It's a harmonious blend of perfectly seasoned sushi rice, called shari, and neta, the topping. The shari is gently vinegared, providing a subtle tang that balances the rich flavors of the seafood. Together, they create a symphony of taste that's as delightful as it is unexpected. Now let's talk about the artistry. Sushi making is a craft that requires years of training and precision. Every slice of the fish, every mold of the rice, even the presentation on the plate, all are done with a level of finesse that transforms this humble dish into a work of edible art. And then there's the etiquette of eating sushi. In Japan, sushi is typically enjoyed in one bite, and it's considered polite to eat sushi with your hands. Yes, you heard it right. So the next time you're at a sushi bar, don't hesitate to ditch those chopsticks. The beauty of sushi lies in its simplicity and subtlety. Every element, from the selection of ingredients to the presentation, is thoughtfully curated to create a gastronomic experience that transcends the act of eating. This is the magic of sushi, a craft that turns simple ingredients into a gastronomic masterpiece. And that brings us to the end of this delicious journey. We've savored Italian pasta, relished Indian spices, delighted in Mexican vibrancy, and admired Japanese sushi. Embrace these dishes, venture into new cuisines. Remember, every dish has a story to tell, so keep exploring, keep tasting, and keep enjoying the flavors of the world.